Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and welcome to day 8 of the 10-day paperclip challenge. Today we're making some funky dangling musical note earrings. These were actually inspired by a design I used to make in the early 90s when I was selling jewelry on the streets of Montreal. And for this project you're going to need regular size paper clips. They're about 1.25 inches long. You're going to need some earring hooks. I use surgical steel earring hooks. You need your tools, and for the cutters you can use memory wire cutters or some older cutters that you don't mind if they get a little pocked up. As always, we're going to start by opening up the paper clip. You can do it by hand. Just go slowly so it doesn't get kinked or it doesn't snap, and you can also do it with your flat pliers. Again, just go slowly as you open it up so it gets nice and straight. So just go along, straighten it right out, and then we're going to make our earrings. So we'll do our little loop a little bit to one side, so one side is shorter than the other, and then bring this around to the front here so they're at the same level. We're going to bring that one in there. This creates a kind of infinity type sign there, and then what we're going to do is put these two together and just hold them together so these are lined up, and that way you're going to get your earrings the same size. And just start forming a loop on either side. So we're just going to bring this down, and then this one here, we want to make sure they stay lined up, and if you need to measure it with a ruler you can do that too. So we're just going to go there on both sides so they're about the same. And then what you want to do is just form your loop. So bring this one around here, and then this one too, we're going to bring this one around here. Then we're going to cut them flush, so just bring your cutters in there, cut one side. Same thing over here, we'll just cut it flush. Hold your end so it doesn't fly. And then what you're going to end up doing is just bend this, give it a half bend like that to the front, and that way it's going to be perpendicular to the piece, so we're not going to need a jump ring to hang our notes on there. So that's your beginning stage, and then from there you want to form your treble clef and your notes. So you're going to take another paper clip and just start at one end and do a little loop, and then we want to bring this around to form the bottom of the treble clefs. We're going to bring it around there just like that. If you want to ensure both treble clefs are the same size, do the beginning parts both at the same time, and then just hold them together and do a little jog so you know they're going to be the same height. Then you can separate them, bring this one down here, and then we're going to form this round part. I have other treble clef tutorials that you can check out as well to make different sizes if you like. So we're just going to make this complete circle, and then we're going to bring it in a little bit, and if you want to do a kind of like little spiral thing, you can just kind of bring it in a little more. So you can just clip it so it's flush in there, and then just take that end off, and then just flatten this so it's just flat down there, and take this and just hold it in place and bend that over that part. Okay, so, and normally when I make the treble clefs I leave an end and I twist it around, but this steel is very hard, so you don't need to do that. And then you're going to take this one, hook it on, and just close that one up with your flat pliers, and you can kind of give it a little twist so this is like really centered in there. So now we're going to do the note on the other side. So for the note, we're just going to hold the wire here just 1 inch and a bit from the end and just do a loop, and then we want to bring it down on either side. So just bring that one down there and bring that one down there, and then we're going to do the same on this side. Just do your little loop This is just to get the notes the same size. It doesn't really matter if they're exactly the same. Nobody's going to notice because they're on two different sides of your head when you're wearing the earrings. So now put the two together if you want to have them about the same height, and just do your bend at least on one of them so you know it's about in the same size. And then you can just bring that one around, cut it flush, hold this so it doesn't fly. And then this one too, we're just going to take that, make sure it's about the same height as on the other side, bring that one around there, just check to make sure that loop is about the same size, give it a little clip, just clip that one there, and then we're just going to close that up, close up those loops, and you can like adjust them a little bit if you have to, give that a little pinch, and then we're going to add it to our dangly. So we're just going to go here, hook it on there, close it up, and then this too, you can just kind of twist it so it's straight down. So now we have the treble, clef, and the note. And then if you want, just for fun, you can do a single note in the middle. So just get like a scrap piece of wire is fine. Make sure it's cut flush. You can just, like if it's not flush, just give it another little flush cut. And then take your round pliers and just do like a little loop here, just very, very plain. And then we can just attach it right in that loop. So for that, you can just take this at the height that you want your note, bend it out, and then just around like that. So it looks something like that. And then we're going to take it and hook it onto that middle loop. Okay, hold it in place, and then take this and complete your curve, and then you can cut it flush in there. So just grab your little cutters, get them right in there. Memory wire cutters won't work as well for this project because you have to get into the little nooks and crannies. So I would recommend an older pair of your nippers or flush cutters. So let's just close that one up there. And there we have the earring, and you could put it on a chain, I guess, as well, but they're cute as earrings with them dangling on either side. So there you have your finished pair of dangly note earrings, and if you prefer simpler earrings, you can just do one treble clef and one note. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and wire jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. I'll link it up below. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wire wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you want to sign up below, I'll send you my free Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.